Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase, and it's none other than the SteelSeries PrismCaps, double-shot pudding-style keycaps. If you're a mechanical keyboard enthusiast, you're in for a treat because these are some of the best keycaps available on the market. Let's kick things off by talking about the visual appeal of these keycaps. The SteelSeries PrismCaps come in a sleek black design with a UK layout, making them a perfect fit for your mechanical keyboard. But what sets them apart is their pudding-style RGB illumination. The specially engineered double-shot design with translucent sides and letters allows for stunning lighting effects that will take your keyboard setup to the next level. Now, let's talk about durability. These keycaps are made from high-quality thermoplastic PBT, which means they are built to withstand heavy use. You won't have to worry about them losing their texture or appearance over time. These keycaps are designed to go the distance, ensuring your keyboard looks and feels great for a long time. One of the standout features of these keycaps is their ultra-wide compatibility. They are designed to fit most mechanical keyboards, including popular brands like SteelSeries, Razer, Corsair, and many others with MX stems. The standard ISO 105 key layout means they work on full-sized, 10 keyless, and even 60% keyboard layouts, giving you the flexibility you need. In conclusion, the SteelSeries PrismCaps, double-shot pudding-style keycaps are a top-notch choice for anyone looking to enhance their mechanical keyboard setup. With their durability, compatibility, and visually appealing RGB illumination, they stand out as one of the best keycap options on the market. That's it for today's review on UK Pro Reviewer. If you're interested in upgrading your mechanical keyboard, be sure to check out the SteelSeries PrismCaps. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.